Hi everyone! Happy Tuesday morning sa inyong lahat. So, kamusta kayo guys? Kamusta ang inyong umaga? So, sa mga gising na dyan today, good morning sa inyo. Magandang umaga, magandang umaga. Okay, so today meron tayong bagong pick a card reading. Okay, so tingnan natin guys. Who wants to call you? Okay, who wants to call you? Who wants to talk to you and why? Okay. So, sino ba yung person na gusto kang kausapin? Gusto kang makausap through call? Okay. Gusto makipag-usap about kung saan? Okay. Or ano ba yung gustong sabihin nitong person na to? Okay. So, titingnan natin kung sino yung tatawag sa'yo in the future. Okay, it could be a family member, a friend of yours, okay, or with regards on love life, or sa iyong love life, okay, it could be an ex or a new person, okay, and why? Okay, so wag na natin patagalin guys. Pili na kayo ng pile na sa tingin niyo na mag-resonate sa inyo, okay, so this is pile number 1. And this is pile number 2. Okay, so different oracle cards, tarot card, and some messages. Kung ano yung gustong sabihin nitong person na to. Bakit siya tatawag? Okay, so pili na kayo guys. Pile number 1, pile number 2. Okay, so kung nakapili na kayo kung anong pile, so start na tayo kay pile number 1. Okay, so pile number 1, who wants to call you? So, sino tong person na to na gusto kang tawagan? Okay. So, it could be through, sabihin natin call via mobile or WhatsApp, Messenger, okay? So, any way. Okay? So, this is, meron tayong tea leaf, meron tayong hermit, kung ano yung gusto niya sabihin, island time wellness, and situation oracle card, okay? Pero, start muna tayo sa sign, okay? Numinous sign mo. So, ito yung card mo sa Numinous pile number 1. Tingnan natin kung anong sign ba itong person na to, okay? So, meron tayong Pisces card, okay? So, it could be, number 1, you are the Pisces or this person is a Pisces, okay? The mystic, okay? Maybe this person is very mystical, okay? Mysterious, it can be. Or, it could be you, pile number 1, okay? It could be you, the Pisces, okay? So, tingnan natin. This person, right now, it could be emotional or still healing, okay? Meron akong nakita dito na this is a dreamy kind of a person, okay? Spiritual also, but very sensitive, okay? Because this is a water sign, okay? It can be this person is sensitive or you, pile number 1, if you are the Pisces, okay? So, tingnan natin sa yung tarot card, okay? Uy, Ace of Wands. Fire sign. Page of Wands. Fire sign again. Queen of Pentacles. Earth sign. Okay. Uy. Five of Wands. So, another fire sign. Pile number 1. Okay, so first, meron ako nakita dito na maybe, if you are not the Pisces, this person, if you are not the Pisces, this person is the Pisces and you are the Queen of Pentacles, the Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, okay? It could be, you are a mother, okay? Or meron ako nakikita dito na maybe this is your sister. Okay, if possible. Okay, na meron kayong pag-aaway or hindi pagkakaintindihan. Okay. Or, this is a younger person. Okay. Masculine or feminine. Or, kung ito ay masculine ha, this is a Pisces. And this is a masculine person. And sa iba kasi ha, guys, pile number 1, Ace of Wands is a sexual card. Okay. It could be ha, it could be a sexual card for some. Okay. Pero this person, meron kayo ditong hindi pagkakaintindihan na nakikita ko, or nakita niya na maraming nakikipag-agawan, maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo right now. Or maraming gustong mga person na manligaw sa'yo. Okay, it could be ha, it could be. Because you are a very independent person, okay? Good financially, okay? A businesswoman, okay? A wealthy kind of a person. Okay, Queen of Pentacles is a kind of a woman, a feminine, or a person na wealthy, magaling sa pera, financially stable, okay. Has a business na very successful, okay. Kumbaga, ano ka, okay na yung financial aspect mo, okay, if you are the Queen of Pentacles, okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Uy, Judgment. Judgment card. Ten of Swords. Okay, sige. Tingnan pa natin. Knight of Wands. Major Arcana, Judgment. Ten of Swords, air sign. Knight of Wands, fire sign again. And King of Pentacles, earth sign. Okay. So, meron akong nakikita dito na you are a well-balanced. If you are the feminine or a Queen of Pentacles, you are a well-balanced of a masculine and a feminine, okay? So, very balanced person. Maybe, it could be this is a King of Pentacles also. But nakikita ko kasi, King of Pentacles and a Queen of Pentacles is represented by a one person here in this pile number 1. Okay, so a very balanced person, good with money. Okay, financially independent person, a wealthy person, a well-established person. Okay. Yes, and meron ako nakikita dito na this is a Page of Wands and a Knight of Wands. Okay, so it could be a young fire sign. Okay, some of you, pile number 1. This is a young fire sign. Okay, or a Pisces. So, ano ha, take what's resonate. Kasi marami na mga nanonood eh. Okay, so maybe this person, meron na siyang clarity right now. Okay. About a hurtful situation. Okay. So, maybe meron kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan itong person from the past. Okay. And someone is very hurt. Okay. Very hurt right now in this situation. So, pwede sigurong this is a different scenario, pile number 1. It could be this person used you only, okay? Or siguro, naging intimate lang sa'yo itong person na to. Yes. And siguro, nasaktan ka dito ng sobra. So, meron akong nakikita dito na nasaktan ng sobra kasi ginamit ka lang nitong person na to sexually. Okay? It could be. Or meron ditong nangyari na yung isa is nasaktan ng sobra, okay? Ten of Swords, okay? Yes. Or, maybe this person is nasaktan. Okay? Kasi siguro, ipinagpalit mo siya sa King of Pentacles. It could be, ha? Okay. So, tingnan pa natin, guys. Oo, meron ako nakita dito na po pwedeng ipinagpalit mo to sa King of Pentacles. This is a Knight, okay, or a Page of Wands. A younger fire sign, okay? It could be ano yung iba naman sa inyo, if kung ito ay hindi lover, it could be mag-asawa kayo ng King and Queen of Pentacles, and this is your son, okay? And then meron kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan dito over money, okay? It can be. So, tingnan pa natin sa iyong situation card. Meeting. Oh. Denial. Poison. And commitment. Oh, okay. Oh, diba? So, meron ako nakukuha dito na pile number 1, meron ditong more than one person involved with another person. So, it could be third-party situation, okay? Now, where is, one person involved with two persons and the other one, yung girl dito is nagkaroon ng conflict with the other person kasi siguro, or yung guy, siguro nalaman niya na kumbaga parang pinapapili ka nito. There is a competition, okay, between him and another person, okay? Meron ako nakikita dito na a female, okay? A Queen of Pentacles dealing with a matured person and with a younger person versus a younger person, okay? So, it can be na yung other one is perfect fit mo kasi you are a queen and this other person is a king while the other person is a page or a knight, which is a younger or an immature kind of a person, okay? Maybe the other person, the younger person is a toxic, okay, or has an unhealthy behavior, okay. You are discussing someone here with the other person over a third party. So meron akong nakikita dito na meron kayong pinagtatalunan dito or meron kayong pinag-uusapan. Okay? Maybe, meron akong nakita yung iba sa inyo, pal number 1, sinasabi dito sa isang person na siguro ayaw mo na sa kanya or kumbaga you're not going to deal with him anymore kasi nga siguro toxic tong isa, itong younger. Okay? Seloso, okay? Seloso, toxic, mahilig makipag-away, makipagtalo, okay? And maybe this person is a dreamy kind of a person, yung tipo bang siya, kumbaga, hindi pa marunong mag-handle ng relationship. Maybe this person is illogical kind of a person also. Or not facing the reality. Kasi siguro, if this is a person who is meron siyang sa chart niya is merong Pisces, okay, na sign. Some Pisces kasi is dreamy, okay, or not facing the reality. What I mean by that is parang meron silang tendency na mag-escape sa reality, okay? So po pwede sigurong hindi nito kayang makipag-deal seryosong usapin when it comes to relationship, okay? And meron ako nakikita dito na hindi kayo magtagpo ng decision nitong younger person na to kasi nga you are a queen. And hindi mo to match. Okay? Hindi mo match tong person na to kasi nga this is younger or immature kind of a person. Okay? Mapusok. Okay? Siguro this person is mahilig sa what I mean is mahilig masyado sa sex or intimate intimate mahilig sa ganon, and siguro maybe ikaw, if you are an older person kaysa sa kanya, is hindi ka kasi ganon, okay? So, pwede siguro yun yung palagi nyo pinagtatalunan, okay? Maybe, if you are the feminine here or the Queen of Pentacles, you want a long-term relationship, okay? And maybe this person who is immature kind of a person cannot handle or hindi siya pang long-term relationship. Kasi nga, siguro, ano pa to this is a dreamy kind of a person nga. Di ba sinabi ko nga, mahilig tong mag-escape and hindi pa siya masyadong seryoso sa buhay, okay? Yun yung nakikita ko dito. Hindi rin siya good with money. Pwedeng hindi rin siya marunong maghawak ng pera. Okay? Kumbaga, this is a happy-go-lucky kind of a person. Okay? This person na gusto kong makausap. So, tingnan pa natin. Healing heart. Healing from heartbreak, freedom from toxic relationship or addiction. I told you, okay? Maybe you are the one siguro si Queen of Pentacles dito is yung healing. Okay? Yung healing right now because of this person. Na younger person who is toxic. Okay? Isip bata tong person na to. Okay? Hindi seryoso, hindi marunong mag-handle financially or palaasa. It can be. Kasi, siguro, itong person na to, gusto kang makausap. And siguro, ikaw, if you are the Queen of Pentacles, ayaw mo na siyang makausap. Kasi nga, maybe, you are right now found your King of Pentacles. Okay? Maybe, you are in another relationship na ngayon. Okay? Siguro ikaw dito yung nasa 10 of Swords. Siguro nasaktan ka dito ng sobra dito sa person na to. Pile number 1. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Girl with a snake. Empath with narcissist paradigm. Being charmed or used. Diba? Ano ba sinabi ko sa inyo? Being charmed or used, enable, boundaries. Okay? So maybe this younger person or young fire sign or a young Pisces used you only pwedeng financially or through sex. Okay? Ginamit ka lang nitong person na to. Okay? So take what's resonate, guys, vice versa. Okay, this is a charming person. Maybe this is a good-looking person. Okay, it can be pile number 1. And you are the empath. And this is, may pagka-narcissist tong person na to. Okay. Siguro parang naging nanay and anak ang naging dating nung relationship mo with this person. Okay? Kasi siguro ikaw ang nag-take care dito sa person na to financially. Yes. Kasi this is a younger person na hindi kayang suportahan yung sarili niya. Okay? And this person is very palaasa. Okay? At hindi siya pang long-term relationship. Okay? And this person is very irrational in reasoning. Yes. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Okay, tingnan natin sa yung tea leaf card, pile number 1. Dogs, greeting together with friends. Okay. Box, you will receive a gift. Okay. Pineapple, reconciliation. Okay. And arrow, you are on the right path regarding some as okay. So maybe maybe pile number 1, if you are the Queen of Pentacles here and ikaw yung nagamit dito, okay, ikaw yung empath at ikaw yung healing right now over this toxic person, okay, maybe this person is has an addiction on sex, okay, yes, meron akong nakitang ganon. Maybe this person wants to be your friend pa rin, okay? Or you are being loyal with this person before. Pile number 1. Okay? Maybe ikaw siguro yung palaging nagbibigay ng gift dito sa person na to. This person is very immature. Hindi, what I mean is ikaw yung nagbigay sa kanya lahat ng mga needs niya. Ikaw yung parang naging nanay niya. This person wants to have a reconciliation with you. Gusto nitong makipagbati sa'yo. Kasi nga maybe, meron kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan nitong person na to. And ayun yung cause ng paghihiwalay ninyo. Kasi nga hindi nga kayo magkasundo kasi nga this person is a very toxic person and very irrational in reasoning. Okay? And ang sabi dito, you are on the right path daw. Okay? So, kung ano man yung nangyari sa inyo between this person is you are on the right path, pile number 1. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Ano ba yung gustong sabihin nitong person na to? It could be, this is the person talking to you or ikaw ang merong sasabihin dito. So, tingnan natin, pile number 1. You are so beautiful. Why do you need me? Number 9. Number 5. I can't even look at I think this is you, pal number 1. If you are the Queen of Pentacles, I can't even look at you right now. Or maybe it can be this person is the one talking here na hindi siya makatingin sa'yo right now. Kasi siguro nahihiya siya. Or very nagsiself-pity tong person na to. Or nagpapaawa. Number 5, if I follow you, I could lose everything. Okay. Siguro, alam mo sa sarili mo na kapag ka nakipag-reconcile ka dito sa person na to, you could lose everything. Money, everything. Kasi nga, wala kang mapapala dito sa person na to, pal number 1. Yung iba sa inyo, yun ang nakikita ko. Next, I am terrified. Number 9 again. You hurt me. But that's okay, I guess. Number 9 again, 999. Okay, it could be meron ka nakikitang sign na 999. Pile number 1. Number 1, I am manifesting you. Oh, maybe this person is manifesting you. Okay? This person is manifesting you, pal number 1. And maybe, okay, siguro meron ako nakikita dito na, kasi nga very irrational tong person na to, siguro sinasabi niya na sinaktan mo siya. Sinaktan mo siya kasi siguro you found your match right now, which is a King of Pentacles. You are the Queen of Pentacles and this is the King of Pentacles. Siguro meron ka nang nahanap ngayon na perfect match mo and maybe this person is very pity or nagsiself-pity to ngayon. And maybe if this is a narcissist person, this person's sinasabi niya na sinaktan mo siya. Yes, ipinagpalit mo siya. Oo. Kung guys, kung aware kayo sa partnership ng narcissist over a empath or a healer, very toxic kasi yon. na connection. Okay. Meron ako nakita dito na pile number 1, if you are the Queen of Pentacles, mabait ka na person. Mapagbigay ka na person. Mm-mm. Okay, so sino yung gustong kumausap sa'yo? File number 1. It could be an ex, okay, or a person na inilagay ka sa third party, it could be, or you are dealing with right now, if you are dealing with two person, okay. And bakit kanya gusto makausap? Gusto ito makipag-reconcile sa'yo. Gusto ito makipag-reconcile sa'yo, makipagbate. Yes. And maybe, siguro, gusto nitong makita ka. Okay? Or, guys, file number 1. Baka this person is want to start a fight sa'yo. Okay? So, be aware. Okay? File number 1. Kasi this is a very petty person. A petty person, very illogical, okay? A narcissist, okay? So, maging aware ka, file number 1. Okay, so file number 1, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo yung reading na to. Okay, so kung nag-resonate sa'yo, please do subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, okay, sa ating channel para mas lalong lumaki po ang ating community. Okay, and mag-like ka na rin and show some love, okay, sa ating channel. Mag-comment ka if nag-resonate sa'yo, okay. So, hindi ko na patatagalin, go na ako kay file number 2. So, file number 1, maraming salamat. Bye! File number 2. So, kung file number 2 ang napili mo, so tingnan natin who wants to call you, talk to you, approach you. Okay? And why? So, tingnan natin bakit. Bakit ganito gusto tawagan, gusto makausap? Okay? So, file number 2, tingnan natin. So, Oracle, Tarot card again, and some messages ang meron ka dito. Okay? So, unahin natin ang iyong luminous. So, tingnan natin kung anong sign to. File number 2. So, Sagittarius. So, the Voyager. So, it could be a Sagittarius or you are a Sagittarius, a fire sign. File number 2. Okay. So, it could be a happy-go-lucky kind of a person, an honest person. Okay. A free-spirited person, a spiritual person also. Maybe this person wants to travel, okay, papunta sa'yo, okay. So, tingnan pa natin, file number 2. Bakit ito gustong tawagan ka, okay. And some clue kung sino tong person na to. Uy, King of Swords. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Matured person, a cutthroat person, a very intellectual kind of a person. It could be an older guy or a old masculine. It could be a boss. Okay. Uy, 5 of Pentacles. Maybe this person is malayo sa'yo or naghiwalay kayo nitong person na to. Okay. Separated. You separated with this person. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. You separate with this person. So, tingnan pa natin. Earth sign. Someone wants to beg here. Okay. Or wants to, alam mo yun, yung habulin yung other person. So, titingnan natin. Tingnan natin file number 2. Oh, Two of Cups, water sign. So, maybe this is your partner. Okay, this is your husband. Okay. Or a boyfriend. Okay. So, it could be file number 2. Oh, Ten of Cups. Maybe this is your husband. Okay. A live-in partner. Or it could be a family member also. Pero kasi si Two of Cups is nandirito. Pero it could be a father. Okay. A family member. Someone you walk away. Yung nilayuan mo, hindi mo na kinakausap. Okay, this person wants to talk to you maybe. Yun nga, sabi ko nga wants to call you, wants to talk to you. Okay. You have a family with this person. Maybe naghiwalay kayo nito. So, tingnan pa natin, guys. Uy. King of Swords again. I'm telling you, this is two confirmation card. This is a King of Swords. A cutthroat kind of a person. Very mean. It can also be, this is a mean person. Okay. Four of Pentacles. Uy. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Four of Swords. The Star. Okay. Uy, meron akong ibang may nakuha ako dito, ha? If this is your husband or if this is your partner and nag-separate kayo nito or iniwanan nyo tong person na to, this person wants to call you or talk to you because maybe this person is not feeling well right now. Okay? Maybe this person is pwedeng may sakit. Okay? May sakit tong person na to. And maybe this person siguro, alam mo yon, yung nagsusubi ng pera. Okay. Meron akong nakita dito na kung itong person na to is malayo sa inyo or naghiwalay kayo nito, or this person is healing, someone is healing here, okay, in a healing phase or in a rest phase. Yung parang, yun nga, yung healing. Over a connection. Someone is wishing to have a 10 of Cups, okay? A wish fulfillment, a happiness, okay? A happy family. Okay, so tingnan pa nga natin file number 2. Interview. Oh, di ba? This person maybe wants to talk to you nga, to call you, to have a conversation with you. Maybe, kasi nga, siguro, it has something to do to a commitment, okay? To a marriage, okay? Receive. Wants to show, okay? Wants to show in front of you, okay? Gusto nitong ma-meet ka, makipagkita sa'yo, makausap ka. Meron ako nakikita dito na yung iba sa inyo pa number 2, maybe this person is merong may sasabihin sa'yo or siguro, um, it can be this person is overthinking right now, okay? Overthinking right now, wants to talk to you, okay? Wants to show you something, okay? This is in the mental prison. Maybe siguro iniwanan mo tong person na to or nagkahiwalay kayo nitong person na to eh. Kasi nga this person maybe magta-travel to papunta sa'yo para makita ka. Magre-risk siya. Magre-risk. Okay? To talk to you, okay? To meet you personally. Over something, over siguro sa pagsasama ninyo, okay, over sa relasyon ninyo, okay. So, tingnan pa natin file number 2. Date. Meeting someone new, dating, get back out there, plan, set a date. Sabi ko na nga this person is planning to um, go to you, to travel, papunta sa'yo. Tourist. Okay? Someone is overthinking here. Maybe this person is an overthinker if this is a air sign. Okay? And maybe you are the Sagittarius or the fire sign. Okay? O, di ba? Your relationship with this person is over. Okay? So, tapos na yung relationship mo dito. Maybe this is an ex, okay? Or an ex-husband. Okay? Siguro tong person na to is done na on his resting time. Pwede sigurong matagal tong muna naging silent, hindi nakipag-communicate, okay? And this person wants to claim you. Okay, right now wants to claim you na makipag-usap na sa'yo, okay? Makipagbate, okay? So, tingnan natin. Passion. Insane chemistry, like each other equally, having fun, okay? This person is passionate, okay? Passionate, wants to have passionate conversation with you or meet up with you, okay? Wants to date you. Oo. Or if this is not a past person, okay, if this is not a past person, it could be a new person, okay? And maybe, kakahiwalay mo lang or you are in a kaka-separate mo lang with a person, and maybe you are dating right now to meet your, your true love or your person, okay? Para makuha mo yung Ten of Cups. It could be, ha? May narinig ako Gemini. Okay? You want to transform your life, okay? Kaya siguro lumayo ka dito. But someone wants to beg, okay? Wants to talk to you again. Oh my gosh, pal, number 2. So, tingnan natin sa tea leaf mo. Oh man, dealing or relationship with a man. Feeling tied down or frustrated. Oh, someone is feeling tied down and frustrated. Maybe you are talking with a person right now, wants to travel to you, okay, but this person is already married. It can be, it can be pile number 2, and maybe Archangel Michael protected you with this person, kaya hindi kayo siguro makapagkita nito. Maybe you are the person who wants to get on the same page with this person, but this person is in a mental prison or feeling confined, okay? Feeling confined and tied down because maybe this person is already married and has a family or has a partner na. Yes. Maybe this person hindi tungo papunta sa'yo, hindi makapag-meet papunta sa'yo kasi hindi niya magawa yun kasi siguro may partner na siya or married na. Oo, may nakuha akong ganun, pile number 2. And maybe siguro itong person na 'to, hindi niya maiwan yung family niya, pero gustong-gusto na nitong makipag-date ulit. Okay? Or have someone new. Yes. And this person feeling tied down right now because maybe this person nga is already married. Or vice versa yun, guys, ha? It could be you are the one who is married and you want to date this person. Okay? If you are the feminine here, pero hindi mo magawa yon kasi you are married. You have a family na already or you have a partner na. Okay? Yeah. Take what resonate, guys. Vice versa yon, ha? O pwedeng yung isa dito, yung other person, or yung guy dito yung married na over someone, kaya hindi siya makapunta sa'yo. Okay? Hindi siya makapag-travel back papunta sa'yo kasi may family to. Pero gustong-gusto ka nitong person na to kasi you have an insane chemistry with this person. You like each other. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Feather. Someone you know is undependable and insincere. I told you. Someone here is insincere. If the other person or you, pile number 2, is already in a commitment or married, okay, hindi nagsasabi ng totoo to sa'yo. Okay? Someone is undependable and insincere. Maybe siguro hindi sinasabi nito na kaya hindi kayo makapag-meet nito, hindi ka ma-date nito, okay? Kasi nga, may family na siguro to or meron na tong partner already. Okay? Siguro sinasabi mo dito na, "Show me, pakita mo sa akin kung talagang gusto mo ko or talagang mahal mo ko." Mm. Sinasabi mo siguro dito sa person na 'to, "Sige nga, ipakita mo nga sa'kin kung talagang mahal mo ko or talagang gusto mo ko makasama. Pumunta ka nga dito para magkita tayo or mag-travel ka nga sa'kin para tayo, makasama natin isa't isa. Show me." Siguro gano'n, and this person maybe is in a mental prison right now. Kasi nga hindi niya magawa na mag-travel back papunta sa'yo at ma-meet ka, okey, gustong-gusto ka na nitong makasama kasi nga may partner na siya, pal number 2. Base, secret admirer. Oh my gosh, gustong-gusto ka nito, pile number 2. This person has an insane chemistry with you. Maybe Archangel Michael is protecting you with this person kasi siguro masasaktan ka dito kasi this person has already someone in his life. And maybe this is married already and have some children or family. Okay, so tingnan nga natin sa iyong hermit. Okay, kung ano ba yung gustong sabihin nito, bakit gusto ka nitong tawagan, makausap, wants to talk to you. Okay? My life started when I met you, number 2. Maybe this person has a family. Okay, kaso hindi na siya masaya doon sa family niya, kaya this person is feeling tied down. Okay, and frustrated right now kasi nga hindi na siya masaya doon kung nasaan siya ngayon, and meron kayo nitong insane chemistry, masaya siya kapag kakausap ka, and feeling niya nag-start yung life niya when he meets you, or vice versa, ha? Pile number 2. It could be you are the one who is very happy right now, oo. Yung sinasabi mo dito sa person na masaya ka and your life started when you met this person. Okay? Vice versa, guys, ang energy. So, it could be you or this person. I left because you told me to. Number 8. Oh, maybe this person, yun nga, siguro, wala kayong communication right now kasi nga, meron kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan. Or it can be, pinapapili mo tong person na to or this person is namimili. Okay? Yeah. So, tingnan pa natin. Oh, sex. Oh, sabi ko sa inyo, this person is very passionate. Okay? Passionate over you. Okay? If this is, if you are the person, okay, na gustong-gusto makita tong person na to, or maybe this person, if this is ito yung may pamilya na, and hindi na masaya sa marriage niya, and gusto ng someone new, okay? 6. Number 7, I just dream and wish for everything. Oh. Do you even see me that way? Oh my gosh, pile number 2. Very cheesy, very spicy reading. I want to get you drunk. Oh, this person wants to get you drunk, to be intimate, okay, sa'yo. Kasi maybe this person is very in love sa'yo. Okay. Meron ako dito nakikita na hindi na masaya sa marriage niya or sa current partnership niya. Okay. This person, someone is in mental prison right now, feeling confined and feeling, alam mo, tied down over something or over a family. Yun ang nakikita ko, pile number 2. Okay, it's either you are the one who is already in a family or in a partnership and you wants to date this person if nakilala mo tong person na to. Maybe you are dealing with 2 air sign. It could be, and you are the Sagittarius. Okay, pile number 2. Yes, you are dealing maybe with the Libra, Gemini, or Aquarius. Maybe you are dealing with, meron ako nakita dito, it's either you are dealing with a Gemini and an Aquarius. And you are the Sagittarius. Okay? So, take what's resonate. Mm-mm. Seek professional advice. If you are the one who is already in a marriage or in a partnership, pile number 2, and gusto mo, hindi ka na masaya doon, okay, hindi ka na masaya doon sa partnership na yon, maybe you want to seek professional advice about a divorce if you are not happy and you want to be with this person. Or maybe this person wants to divorce his current partner or his wife or husband right now to be with you. It could be pile number 2. And maybe, sabi ng person, siguro, maybe, pwede, parang ganyan. You have an insane chemistry with this person, a very fiery chemistry with this person. You want to meet, or this person wants to travel sa'yo para ma-meet ka, to be intimate with you, okay, or to be intimate with someone, to have sex with someone. Okay, but but someone here is feeling tied down or frustrated, okay, maybe because may partner na to. Yes. May partner na tong person na to. File number 2. Or may wife na. Uh-huh. And maybe, siguro, you're separated with this person right now. And feeling mo siguro, no second chances na kasi nga, may asawa na itong person na to or may partner na and hindi naging totoo sa itong person to. And siguro, nagalit ka nga. And siguro, pinapapili mo siya. Sino pipiliin mo? Show me. Okay? So, file number 2, I hope nag-resonate sa iyo ang reading natin. If nag-resonate sa iyo to, please do subscribe. Okay? Leave a comment. Show some love sa ating channel. Sabihin mo kung nag-resonate sa iyo to. And kung hindi man, maybe sa ibang araw mag-resonate sa iyo to. Yes. Or, sa file number 1, mag-resonate ka dun sa reading. Okay? So, again, guys, maraming salamat sa patuloy na panonood ng ating Pick a Card reading. Okay? And I hope na kahit pa paano is nag-resonate sa'yo yung mga reading natin. Okay? So, marami po kayong aabangan sa ating channel, pile number 2. Okay? So, tune in lang kayo. Okay? And please, don't skip ad. Tulong nyo na rin po sa akin yun para makabili pa po tayo ng additional deck para sa ating reading. Okay? So, abang lang kayo guys. Baka magpa-pre-reading ako. Okay? So, soon. So, abang-abang lang kayo sa ating surprise. Okay? Sa channel. Okay, so, para number 2, maraming salamat. Happy Tuesday morning sa'yo. Magandang umaga. Malapit na ang Christmas, so advance Merry Christmas sa inyo. Okay, so, paalam na ako. End ko na yung reading natin. File number 2. Bye!